Hello, David here, and the project for today is clearing this clogged drain. I suppose I could use one of those liquid plumber type chemicals, but if that doesn't work and I have to take the gooseneck apart, I could burn myself with the acid. I could use one of these things, and don't have much luck with those. So I'm going to use my Sayers drain cleaner. They don't make these anymore, but these things work great. You need an air compressor for it because it runs off of compressed air, and also you have to wait for the clog to become larger. So you want the drain to, you want the clog to grow so that the sink drains slowly, because that compressed air needs a large clog to push it out through the pipes. In other words, if the clog was really small, or the drain was draining but just a little bit slowly, the air just might go past the clog and might not push it out of the way. So the first thing I need to do, I need to take this thing out. Oh, there is a lot of crud in there. Try this thing. No, that didn't pull anything out. And it's still draining slowly. Got to get the right size fitting. This one's too big. This one's just right. Make sure you don't accidentally shoot yourself. That could put an air bubble in your bloodstream and kill you. So I've got my air compressor set to 80 pounds per square inch. Let's put this one away. And this is perfect. We want standing water. Make sure you're wearing grungy clothes because there's a lot of splashback. Clear the area around the sink. Get all the towels and stuff out of the way because it could make a mess. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get a big towel to cover everything up, to cover the backsplash. It's a little better. I'm going to give it another shot. Yeah, that's a lot better. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.